Meaning of disambiguate.
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 Disambiguate. The word disambiguate means to clarify or remove any confusion or ambiguity surrounding a particular idea, concept, or word. When disambiguating something, a person is attempting to make the meaning clear and unambiguous. This is often necessary when there are multiple possible interpretations of information, and it is important to determine which interpretation is the correct one. By disambiguating, people can communicate more effectively and ensure that everyone involved is on the same page, reducing misunderstandings and improving overall comprehension.